If you wanted to search songs on Nothing Phone 3a, you can, for example, add the Recognize Music feature in the quick settings over here. And by default, it is not added, I believe, but we can tap on this pen icon above the screen brightness, and then over here in these options, you should be able to find song search over here. So we can tap in order to add it to the list, and then we can tap on it in order to search for a song. And there we go. As you can see, we get the search results in Google. This is how we can find a song if it is being played or if someone is singing to our phone. And if that is not working for some reason, you can also use circle to search. So if you press and hold the home button or the navigation bar, if you use gesture navigation, then you should be able to find this the same icon pretty much over here at the bottom. So you can do the same thing. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.